Best above-ground pools. Just as mechanical keyboards have surged in popularity among typists and gamers, thanks to their satisfying switches, sturdy build quality, ergonomic layout, and value for money, selecting an above-ground pool demands similar careful thought. In this guide, we evaluate pools based on frame/material durability, ease of setup, water capacity versus footprint, maintenance convenience, and overall value. Whether you're creating a backyard oasis for family fun or setting up a seasonal pool in a smaller space, the 5 picks below offer strong choices across budget, size, and utility.
Product number 1. Intex 28211EH Middle Frame Above Ground Swimming Pool Set. The Intex 28211EH Middle Frame Kit offers a solid entry-level above-ground pool built with durability in mind. Featuring a powder-coated metal frame that's rust-resistant and a durable triple-layer laminated sidewall, this model delivers reliable structure for seasonal use. It includes a cartridge filter pump to help keep water circulating and clean, and with the roughly 12-foot diameter and 30-inch height version, it suits smaller backyards or families seeking a manageable size. Reviewers praise the T-joint design for easier assembly and note that setup can be done in under an hour on level ground. On the flip side, the water depth is modest and the size limits serious lap swimming or deeper play for older kids and adults. For those who want an above-ground pool without deep-diving functionality, the Intex 28211EH strikes a very good balance between build quality, ease of installation, and affordability.
Product number 2. Bestway Steel Pro Max 14-foot by 33-inch round above-ground pool set. The Bestway Steel Pro Max 14 by 33 is a mid-sized round pool that ups both diameter and wall height compared to entry models, offering more space for family or friends. Its steel frame features corrosion-resistant coating, and the liner is reinforced for puncture resistance, making it more robust than simpler vinyl wall pools. Users often highlight the click assembly system for faster setup and the included filter pump for all-in-one convenience. It's ideal for those who want above-ground pool fun without going full commercial. Some caveats: because the wall height is around 33 inches, standing adults will notice water over waist height, but not shoulder deep. Deeper swims aren't the aim here. Also, assembly still requires a flat level surface and care in timing, seasons, and maintenance. In terms of value, the Steel Pro Max delivers strong durability and size at a sensible cost for families looking to maximize backyard fun rather than seasonal novelty.
Product number 3. Pool vacuum for above-ground pool with a telescopic pole. While not a pool structure per se, a dedicated pool vacuum for above-ground pool with a telescopic pole is a crucial accessory for anyone buying or owning an above-ground pool. Having a cleaning system means the water remains clearer, debris is removed easily, and maintenance becomes less of a chore. Features to look for include a telescopic pole for reach across the pool, a compatible vacuum head or hose system suited to above-ground liner walls, and easy compatibility with existing filtration. Home pool owners report that skipping decent cleaning gear leads to quicker algae growth and murky water, negating the joy of owning the pool. The investment in a good vacuum may be modest, but the payoff in maintenance effort and water clarity is significant. If you're buying a pool, pairing it with a reliable telescopic pool vacuum prevents headaches and extends pool life.
Product number 4. 3-in-1 Winter Closing Kit. Pool Winterizing Kit for above-ground pools and in-ground pools. Again, while not the pool shell itself, a proper winter closing kit is an essential component of annual maintenance for above-ground pools, especially in climates with colder seasons. A 3-in-1 winter closing kit typically includes chemicals or treatments that stabilize water chemistry, prevent algae, inhibit scale or stains, and help protect liners and equipment while the pool is not in use. For above-ground owners, this kind of kit reduces spring opening workload, helps preserve liner integrity, and improves the longevity of the investment. Users who skip proper winterizing often encounter green water,
liner damage, or sediment buildup when reopening, which undermines the pool's value and enjoyment. While the kit doesn't add summer fun directly, it's control gear for ensuring the pool remains a dependable summer asset year after year. For any above-ground pool purchase, budgeting for both structural investment and maintenance accessories like a winter closing kit is wise.
Product number 5. Winter Pool Closing Kit. 3-in-1 winterizing care for above-ground pool and in-ground pools. This second Winter Pool Closing Kit 3-in-1 winterizing care model offers another take on the same concept, treating the pool during off-season to protect the liner, maintain water clarity, and reduce workload when reopening. While the packaging or brand may differ, the core value lies in preventing algae, scale buildup, and liner damage. For owners of above-ground pools where frame and liner exposure to the elements can be harsher, the difference between a well-protected winter and a poorly closed pool is measurable. The kit's affordability makes it a small but high-value add-on, often under $40, compared to the cost of replacing liner or spending significant time cleaning come spring. For those wanting to maximize value from their pool investment, it's a smart secondary purchase and speaks to the broader idea that owning a pool is as much about maintenance infrastructure as it is about summer fun.